welcome back. Now today we'll be learning about more about inheritance, and this video is going to be about inheritance in practice. So how did we define a child class so that it inherits from the parent class? We use the keyword extends like this. So for example, we have the class shape. And then here's the shape class. You have the constructors, you have the state variables, you have the methods, everything in here. And then you have a class triangle that extends shape, which has additional methods, instance variables, all that. But it also contains everything from here. Now, triangle has inherited traits from shape, meaning it copied over class members from shape. When we use inheritance to extend a subclass from a superclass, we create a is-a relationship from subclass to superclass. For example, an object of a triangle is a member of the shape class. However, an object of the shape class is not necessarily an object of a triangle. Until now, we've only been working with one class and one file. However, most Java programs utilize multiple classes, each of which requires its own file. Only one file needs a main method. This is the file we will run. Note that various classes in our Java package, even though they're in different files, will have access to each other, so we can instantiate one class inside of another. Okay. So here we go, let's practice. You have two files here, noodle.java, this will house your parent class, and spaghetti.java. This is where you'll build the child class. Now noodle has already been defined from you, including in length and centimeters, the shape field, and the texture, and the cook method. It's spaghetti.java. Create a class called spaghetti, then tab over to noodle.java to run your code. We will always need to run our program using the file that contains the main method. Okay. So let's create a class called spaghetti. So public class spaghetti. I guess we don't need class right now. Let's just do that. Now, tab over to spaghetti.java and make a child class of noodle if you haven't already. Okay. So this extends noodle. Cool. Okay. Now tab back over to noodle.java. In the main, instantiate a new spaghetti object and call it spaghetti pomodoro. So let me go ahead and just copy this because it's a long word. So I'll do spaghetti equals new. Let me go ahead and do this equals new spaghetti and print out its texture field from the terminal. So we'll do system, system.out.println, and we'll do spaghetti dot texture. And what do we get? Brittle. Beautiful. So basically, here's what we did. We created a child class. So class spaghetti that extends noodle, which is the superclass or the parent class. And then we created a new spaghetti object inside of the main method. And then we printed out the texture. Now, notice here, I didn't define anything here except for this little thing. This let me access all of this basically. So the texture is brittle. That's how easy it is. And it's very nice. Let me try something else. See if this works. We'll do cook. Uh, void is not allowed. Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's the void method, right? Okay. If it's a void method, then I don't think it'll need any parameters. So yeah, it's not gonna say anything unless we just run cook and print this out, then it'll say cooked. Cool. So that's gonna end the video over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was inheritance and practice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you did find this helpful, um, if you could like the video and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me, and I do appreciate your time. And I'll see you guys in the next one.